are you? All right. Now this is the fourth topic. Is it fourth topic? Okay. This is fraction washing lines. Okay, guys. We are going to our second day of week 2 online learning. Okay, due to this COVID virus lockdown. All right now. So yesterday we learned about fraction also. We learned about fraction wall. Now today we're going to learn about fraction washing lines. Okay, what is washing lines? Okay, this is about number line, guys. Okay, please look at page 47, activity book 2C. All right, now so you will see fraction washing lines as the title, which is talking about number lines. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Half, quarter, and three quarter. Now, before we discuss about page 47, which is number line, I will explain to you about half, quarter, and three quarter. All right, now, guys, if you look here, okay, let me get a pen. Okay, if you look here, this is 1 over 4, correct? Okay, so 1 over 4 means, guys, okay, just imagine, you can imagine as a cake, or look at the picture here. I will explain to you 1 over 4. Why you have 1 on top and why you have 4 at the bottom. Always remember the number on top, which is 1, we call this numerator. Okay, we call this numerator. The number at the bottom, which is 4, we call it denominator. Okay, denominator. Can, guys? All right. Now, why you have 1 on top and why you have 4 at the bottom? Now, before you look at the number on top, look at the number at the bottom. It's 4. The reason they put 4, because if you look here in the image here, this square has been cut into 4 parts like this. One, sorry, this is a very bad line. Let me get a nice line for you. I will erase this part. Okay. Now, we cut in the middle. 1, 2. So when you cut like this, you will have 4 parts. Am I right? Okay. Just assume this as a square-shaped cake. Okay. Imagine your mom is taking a nice knife. Okay, the cake knife. She's cutting like this. So you can see 4 parts there. Okay. From that 4 parts, you are getting only 1 part. So that is why we have 1 on top, which is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 means out of 4 parts, you are getting 1 part of the cake. Clear, guys? Okay, let me explain to you 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2. Usually 1 over 2 is like your mom bakes a nice cake. After she bake, she cut into 2 parts. Okay, she cut into 2 parts. If she cut into 2 parts, there will be 2 parts, correct? So from that 2 parts, you will get 1 part. Out of 2 parts, you will get 1 part. So that is why 1 over 2. But in this image, they cut into 4, correct? Okay. They cut into 4. 1, they cut like this, and then they cut like this. 4 parts. From that 4 parts, your mom is giving you 2 parts. Of course, you will get confused. If 4 parts, if my mom give me 2 parts, it's supposed to be out of 4, it's 2. So 2 over 4, correct? Okay. Imagine your mom is cutting a cake. A square shaped cake. Okay. She cut the cake into 4 parts. After that, she gave you 2 parts. Okay. It's actually 1 over 2 because try to join the 4 parts of cakes back. Join it back. Okay. From the 4 parts, after you join it, to its original position, try to take the two parts from the first thing. Example like this. Try to take these two parts. Same thing. Just imagine you cut only this part. You didn't cut this. You didn't cut another part, which means you didn't cut this. Just imagine. You will get the same thing. So 2 over 4. Guys, 2 over 4. If you simplify, you will get 1 over 2 actually. Okay? You just need to draw. Of course, you won't. Of course, I don't want ask you to let your mom to bake a nice cake. Of course, no. Okay, but try to draw in a piece of paper, which you will have more understanding. Now, look at another image, which is easier to understand. Now, 3 over 4. Very simple, guys. Your mom is baking a nice cake, a square shaped cake. After that, she cut the cake into 4 parts. She cut here, she cut here. Out of 4 parts, you are getting 3 parts. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, out of 4 parts, you are getting 3 parts. So that is why 3 over 4. Do you understand, guys? If you don't understand, please replay this video again and again, and you can ask me during maths lesson via Google Classroom. Okay, I will explain to you further. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Fraction number line. Okay, now let me explain about the fraction number line. Alright, now what is number line? This is the topic that we are going to do today in page 47. Okay, but page 47 is a bit different because it's about clothes and cloth pack. Okay, now look at the on top, guys. Look at on top, this one, this line. Can you see this line here? Can you see this one? All right, now the yellow line, they just divided in the middle. Okay, now initially it was a straight line. It was a line like this. After that, a guy, okay, a guy that who did this image, what he did, he took a ruler and a pencil, he cut in the middle. He draw a line in the middle, which means there is one part here, there is another part here. How many parts in total? 2 parts. Okay, one part, 2 parts. So how about this? Then what is the fraction of only this part? Total got 2 parts, correct? Okay, now from 2 parts, this part is 1. So from 2, this is 1. So 1 over 2. Okay. Now if you look at the purple color line, let me erase the top one. Quite messy. Okay. If you look at the purple color line, we have 1 over 3, we have 2 over 3, and then we have 3 over 3. The reason we have 1 over 3 and 2 over 3, guys, very simple. Look at the purple color line. If you realize how many parts here? 1, 2, 3 parts. The reason they put 1 over 3 because this is the first group. So 1 over 3. Second group. So 2 over 3. This is the third group. So 3 over 3. Always remember, look at the bottom number there. What number is that? Okay, in purple color line, there are 3. 3 as the bottom line. So in total, there must be 3 groups. If you look at the blue color line, the bottom number is 4. How many groups there? Let me look. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Clear, guys? If you look at the red color line, which is bottom number is 5, which means how many groups there, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Look at the orange color line. Bottom number is 6. So there are 6 groups. The green color line, bottom number is 8. There are 8 groups. Clear, guys? Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Okay, now before I go here, okay, before I explain about the worksheet, um, let me explain about our activity book 2C in page 47. Okay, now the same thing that we learned just now. You look at the fraction washing lines. Okay, I will read the instruction for you. Draw the fraction washing on the washing line in the correct place. If you look here, guys, okay, there's a first tick there. That, I mean, this is the place where your mom, normally mom, your mom will wash clothes and she will just dry it on here. Okay, if you see, you can see a long string, right? Okay, now you have to count here how many cloth pegs you have here. What you have to do is count on the first cloth peg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cloth pegs. But don't only stop there. 7, count the last stick. 8, count the last stick. So it's 8. Okay? So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups. Can from that 8 groups, if you look here, on the first stick on top, they put the 0, and then the middle, they put 1, and then the last stick, they put 2. The total number here, when you have to look at the last stick, they put 2, which means that is the total number. Total is 2. What is half of 2? Of course, 1, right? So that is the reason they put 1 in the middle. From that 1, from 0 to 1, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. From 0 to 1, there are only 4 groups. That is why the bottom number is 4. Clear, guys? So the first cloth peg, the answer will be 1 over 4. The second cloth peg will be 2 over 4. The third cloth peg will be 3 over 4. The fourth cloth peg, which is below number 1, is 4 over 4. Clear? Able to do, guys? If you don't understand, please come back to me. I will explain more. Can? Okay, now let's look at the worksheet. I have attached worksheets, which is 2 worksheets. One is about fraction wall, another one is fraction number lines. Fraction number lines, you can refer to the previous slide, which is slide number 3. Now this is about fraction wall. We already learned this yesterday. Fraction wall. I want you to write the fractions inside the bars there. Example, on the red bar, you just need to write the number 1. Just put number 1 there. On the second bars, which is orange color, you have 2 bars, correct? So you write there 1 over 2, and then another bar you write another 1 over 2. I want you to write that. Can? Once you're done, paste both worksheets in your exercise book. Can, guys? Next slide. Alright, now, happy trying page 47. I'm repeating, if you don't understand, come back to me or replay this video. You replay first, okay? Replay this video. If you still don't understand, come back to me. I can assist you. I will assist you. Okay? Thank you, guys. Bye.